Hey, this is John, the pool expert. Just wanted to give you guys a quick wiring tip when wiring up two time clock panels. It's just a little trick that kind of helps you be able to maintain power on both time clocks that are the same. So what I do is I'll take the white wires off of this time clock, and then I'll move them over here to this time clock. That way, as long as this time clock gets power, this time clock gets power. And then if I want to wire this 120 or 240, it doesn't matter, because the power for the mechanism is being controlled over here. So in this case, I can take, these are both 240 volt time clocks, but I can wire this one 240 and I can run the light off of this one. Or if you have a pump and a booster pump, you can do the same thing, and you don't have to worry about if a breaker trips that the times will change. The times will always be the same because they're always being powered by the same source. So anyway, that's my little trick to maintaining consistent power on both the time clocks, and that way you guys can use that in your future time clock installations. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and leave questions in the comments. Thank you so much.